scattering here. So I am telling you that measurable part. Then in SMART, it comes A. A stands for achievable. How much achievable you are? After getting the appointment, if you are not PhD, have you made registration for PhD? It is compulsory for good grade. Some 50 staff members are there. Out of that, 30 are PhD holders. Remaining 20, they should register to PhD. So achievable part is important. Then in SMART it comes R. R stands for relevant. How much relevant you are? You are having old yesterday skills. You are taking present students which are very advanced for their better future. It is highly impossible. You have to adopt new skill potential. Then comes in SMART, it is T. T stands for time bound. You have to work time boundly. I give you system very nicely, you work out according to that. In time bound, in time and to the point, these two words are very important. Sir, you fix one date that I want to submit on 31st December this NAC report. Then before that, you have to take steps from tomorrow. Perform the activities for 1 month, whatever I am telling, if you have not done. Then after that, departments will collect the matter that they have done in last 5 years for NAC. Criteria persons will go from department to department, collect the matter required in their criteria. Do not depend upon notices. If notice is given that submit within 3 days, we take unnecessarily 5 days. And that time goes on, correction modification is not done and it will be rejected from NAC office. After collection of these things from department, this criteria person should write by their own their answers. Are Baba, Nakona Baba, what are you doing? Don't speak. I get diverted, you know, that is the link is gone. So what I was speaking? Criteria. So criteria person should write their answers in their particular, as per their own thinking. Submit that to IQAC. In IQAC room, that should be kept for 15 days for modification, correction every day. Something is not something is forgotten, write there. In that manner, final copy is made and put on principal's table again for 8 days. For modification, correction, that is necessary. Otherwise, it will be rejected. So this SMART concept you keep in your mind in that manner. For NAC purpose, 3 senses are very important. Sense of reasoning, sense of proportion and sense of priority. Proper reasons you have to give in sense of reasoning. In sense of proportion, when I say what to speak, what to write, that is a problem. I give you 2 words, you are knowing those 2 words, knowledge and wisdom. Do you know the internal meaning of that? Knowledge is having meaning of this type. What to write, what to speak, for that knowledge is required. For what not to write and what not to speak, wisdom is required. And how much to write, how much to speak, skill and potential is required. So all these qualities you must have for NAC. Higher grade definitely, I am there with you. If you are doing the thing, I am with you 100%, I give the word now. But you must do the activities. Everything I shall check with red pen. Definitely A grade, you are having a lot of, I told principal, you are having good infrastructure. In so many colleges, the problem of infrastructure is, sir, there. Only 5 to 6 halls are there. No room to sit for committees. You can have a lot of things here. But you have to do in proper manner. So, remember all these things. Sense of proportion, then comes sense of priority. This priority should be given to NAC core values, NAC 5 principles. Which are they? Those principles should be written in IPC room and principal room also. Make a board of that type. First you just see on NAC website. In those words you write down. First one is national development related activity. Whatever things are going in the nation from time to time. Maybe say the economy, maybe GST, maybe Beti Bachao, Beti Badhao. GST, whatever it may be the activity. This Article 370 removal, yours is Arts College. So with the help of those activities, those events, you have to take some course, some awareness program for community and awareness program for society also. When GST I am telling, it is related to commerce faculty, but economics people can take that. You can call some shopkeepers. What are the merits and demerits of GST? You should be impartial. No necessity of going to any government for or against. You should be impartial from education. So that national development part you must have. Then comes global competency, second core value. When I say global competency, think globally, act locally, that is the commonly told. But our walking is in one direction, talking is in another direction. Think globally means really you have to think globally. Maybe be a student, but any BA graduate with cyber crime, ethical hacking or some other course that you are giving to them, that student can go to NASA. That student can go to World Bank. In that way, think globally, it should be there. On internet, there are so many online courses. You can give some online courses every year, that is need. That is think globally, act locally. So that second part, global competency, then comes quest of excellence, third part. When I say quest of excellence, that gives you quality initiatives, quality enhancement and quality sustenance. In most of the AQR sent after the first NAC, repetition is there. Do not repeat anything from the last AQR. In last AQR, if suppose 50 computers are there in the college, in this AQR also again you are writing 50, that means your grade will not go upward. 51 at least you write. Anyway, some increase, some incremental improvement should be shown in AQR. Now there is a cross verification of AQR and the report that you are sending for SSR, RAR. So this quest of excellence part you have to think. Then fourth one is using modern technology, I shall tell after some time. And last one is code of conduct, core values of the college. You have to prepare the document of 500 words and put on college website. All qualitative metrics, sir, IPC coordinator, sir. Prepare those documents as early as possible and put on college website. Because peer team will see that on what date you have uploaded on college website. What is the requirement of NAC? Requirement of NAC is in this manner, you are preparing those documents, teaching learning document, even curriculum delivery document, all those documents, code of conduct, and according to those documents, you are performing for 5 years and thereafter you are writing the report and going for NAC. What is the general practice? You are uploading the report in November and uploading these documents in December or maybe in October and November, and report will be rejected. So I am telling first thing, primary thing, important thing is tomorrow in next week to prepare such documents and upload. You can modify that. If I come afterward, I will modify that and then you upload. But first date of uploading of those 500 word of qualitative metric document on college website, that is very essential. So remember all these things. Again, this code of conduct, core values document, it should be put on college notice board, on the college website, and awareness program should be given to faculties and students regarding professional ethics, core values, national values, all those things. So remember all these things in that manner. You will find that I am telling you that all these things you should build in your particular body naturally. The second word that I want to tell, it is pride. When I say pride, that P stands for, I say that nobody must have a pride, but professional pride you must have. That P stands for positive working environment in the college. Suppose peer team members are in the campus, 2 faculty members or 2 students in the ground, on the ground, they are looking to the mobile, speaking loudly, that picture should not be seen. Even I can say that if peer team members are sitting in principal's room, he calls you somebody, you should go there within 2 minutes. If you are late, they will think what is the relation between principal and staff. It happened to me also. When I was a peer team member, I will not tell the name of the college. In that college we went and no positiveness was there. We have told to this NAC authority that this situation is there in this visit. What should we do? They have said you just give a letter to the principal and degrade the college. On the same day, with our money, we have booked the flight and we have come to our places. That can happen. I am having one letter, I shall show to the principal that everything is okay. Peer team visit dates are taken, but something they found and the peer team visit is cancelled. I shall show you the letter. That is also with me. I am telling you all the things with proof. So anything may happen. So peer team visit is the last step that you must take care of. You will see that everything is okay now, peer team is going to come. No. It may happen that it will be cancelled. If something found in that DVB. That data validation verification center, 70% things are done, are verified there. At any point, at any juncture, some wrong is found, it will be cancelled. So remember all these things in that way. Positive working environment. Then in pride it comes R. R stands for recognizing everyone's effort. Encouragement and welfare scheme should be prepared for faculties and students and put on college website. That is recognizing everyone's effort. Then comes I. I stands for involvement of everyone. We, PLT member, we test faculty members. I had been to one college in Tamil Nadu some 5 years back. I asked that faculty member, what is your contribution in sending this report to NAC office? He told, I have not done anything, principal and coordinator have done it. They are testing you. So for that also I am telling one system. Principal should distribute all questions in this particular criteria. Tomorrow only you do. Distribute all questions in all those criteria to all faculty members. You may be having IQAC team, criteria, person, still all should be involved with this new thing. And that faculty member will have responsibility of 5 questions. He will think innovatively. He will suggest the activity to the IPC or principal. After this talk, that is done and written in the report innovatively, and that will